in this video, I will show you step by step on how to download and install TikTok on PC without any stress. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end and see how to use TikTok on PC. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how you get it done. So let's go. Before we dive into the tutorial, if you're already new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell, so each time I post content about TikTok topic, you'll be notified. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see step by step on how to install, download, and how to use TikTok on PC. So let's welcome back, friends. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure you open up your Chrome browser. After you open up your Chrome browser, come to the address bar right here and type in TikTok. Then press enter. The next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on the first result right here. Then after you open up this page, next thing you want to do is to come down below right here. Make sure you click on Get TikTok for Desktop. Then right here, make sure you click on Install. So after a successful install the app, next thing you want to do is to make sure you come to the top right here. Make sure you click on Login. Then you can log in with different options right here. So I will prefer to log into my account with my QR code. So I'm going to click on Login with QR code. Then the next thing you want to do is to head over to your phone and make sure you perform the scan code from your phone. So right from your phone right here, you have to go to TikTok. Then having opened TikTok, next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on your icon profile. On getting to your profile, next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here. Click on these three dots at the top right here. Then you have to click on my QR code. Then next thing you want to do is to click on here, this icon right here. Click on that. Then you have to position the QR code to the PC. Boom. Boom. So you have successful login straight up, just like what you see right here. Okay. So having login successful, then from the newsfeed right here, you'll be able to see some of your, in the sidebar right here, you'll be able to see all your followers from the section right here. Then from the top right here, these are your following, the number of people you follow, and then you can explore new stuff on TikTok. So let's check out on Explore. So under the Explore, there are a lot of things you can check out on under Explore, such as singing and dancing, comedy, sports, animal and comic, relationships, shows, lyrics, and daily life. You can click on here to see more, explore more content that you can explore, such as technology, education, health, drama, family, etc. So these are the stuff you can do under the Explore. Then from the live section right here, this is all the live video on TikTok. You're going to see everything right here. So next thing you want to do is to just click on to watch live. So this allow you to see some of live video right now on TikTok, and you can decide to follow the creator by click on the top right here to follow the creator if you would like to follow the creator. And right beside the bar right here, you are going to see some of suggested content creator that you can follow. You can click on see more to check out more creator that you can follow on TikTok on desktop. So let's quickly scroll down and see more people right here. Then the next thing you can do right here, you can click on TikTok logo icon right here, just for you to go back to the home page. Alright, so also from the home page right here, you can love the content. You can also comment. Use this button to comment on the content. You can also scroll down and then see more features. You can use this icon right here to share the content, embedded the links, send to friends, share to WhatsApp, copy link of the content, share to Facebook. You can click on here to see more options by which you can share the content to. Alright, so from the top right here, you can use this icon right here to upload TikTok video if you want to upload on desktop. So this is where you have to follow. And right here, these are the messages and these are your inbox. And this one right here represents your profile icon, whereby you can use this place to navigate to your profile views. So let's check on the profile. Alright, so these are my profile right here, and this is the links on the profile, and these are the number of followers as at the times of making this video. Okay, and what are the things you can do on your profile? You can also use this edit tab to edit whatever information you would like to edit on your personal profile. Okay, so right here you can edit your username on your profile. You can also edit your name. You can edit your link. And once you are done, you come down here and click on save. You can also change your profile picture icon right here, and you are good to go. Then another thing you can do from this profile icon right here, you can make use of business tools settings, let's check out what we can do on settings section. So under the settings section right here, you can have your account deleted from this section right here. You can delete your account. You can make your account private if you don't want everybody to see your content, most especially if they are not your follower. You can turn on to be in a privacy mode account. You can also request for your data to be download a copy of your data from your TikTok. And right here, these are more privacy stuff section, just like I explained in the past, and the notification, then business account. So these are all the stuff that you most especially this is where you turn your account into a business account, most especially if you are already in a personal account. So let's quickly go back, and we'll go back to the icon right here. Then we go back to the icon right here, and so right here you can turn on your dark mode. If you don't want a light mode like this, you can turn it to dark. Everything become darkened, and then you can add a shortcut key. You can also use this button right here to log out your TikTok account. So this is how you can install and how you can use your TikTok on PC, on Windows laptop or PC, at the case may be. So I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.